So when we moved into this home, or rather not when we moved in, but when we looked at this home, our kitchen was the dullest part of this house. And that's why we decided to have a transformation. And we contacted Pine Tree, and the turnaround time was excellent. We had to move in 3 weeks, and in 3 weeks we had our full-fledged kitchen. It was a big kitchen, which was functional by the time we moved in. What I love about it is that it's extremely functional. I love the colors that were used. I loved during the whole process of selection, I loved the amount of options I had to decide from. Yeah, I guess the color scheme really turned this place into now probably the happiest place in our home. That's where we have our family meals, and yeah, we love spending time in the kitchen now, and cooking long, boring meals are not so painful anymore.